Hello everyone, this is just a short review of a San Martin quartz watch that I got from eBay. Um, I got it for 171 Canadian dollars. Um, yeah, it's like the I had also had it for a bit cheaper because of a 15% sale that they had with a coupon if you ordered through their mobile app. With the package, you get like a hard case. They also gave me a special tool, changing the straps. Um, and let's open up the package. It's a hard case. Okay, more inside. You get foam padding, actual watch. There, leather bracelet, user manual, has English in the back, advice for use, setting the time, etc. It's pretty straightforward, so you probably don't need to use it. Else, oh, there's a warranty card with the date of purchase. San Martin will, within 2 years from date of purchase, repair the watch free of charge if such watch proves to be defective. So it's pretty nice. And yeah, that's about it. And let's go to the actual watch. So this is a quartz watch. It has a Ronda Swiss movement inside. I chose this watch specifically, even though they make automatic versions of the watch, because of the second dial. It's on 6 o'clock position. Most watches in this style, like a Flieger style, will have the dial directly over the 6 o'clock, and this is like one of the first watches that I found that has like the actual 6 instead of like being covered by the second dial. It is a 200-meter watch, and then the crown is screwed down. Let's see here. There is a gasket, and you can feel like resistance when you're opening it and you're pushing. So pull it. It is hacking. Oh, one more. Yep. There we go. So you will hack, and then you can move the dial. Let's go back, push it again. Since this is like a Ronda, I think there should be like a date wheel inside, but on this face, it's only like plain Flieger style. Let's just put it on. You have this. It's pretty hard to push down and then go clockwise. Oh, I guess let's see. Shot of the watch in action. Also, one of the benefits of like having like a small second dial is like, even though it's quartz, it's hardly noticeable. And look at that application of the numbering. It's actually superluminova on black dial face, stainless steel, and it's supposed to be sapphire crystal. It's on the zulu strap, green. It's a plain case back on the back. It's 39 millimeters, I believe. You can see my fingerprints there, so it doesn't repel fingerprints. It's really smooth, so it just flips off. So the strap. Now I'm gonna compare it with my Citizen watch. It's on a NATO strap. It's a bigger watch slightly. I believe it's like 40 something. And let's try the loom shot now. Just gonna power them with like sunlight. Let's go. Okay. And you can see like just inside the room and it's already glowing pretty noticeably. And yeah, look at that. It glows in the dark. Like I know you can the Citizen watch is pretty noticeable, but it will start to fade out, while this is superluminova, so it should last much longer. And it glows, like it really glows. You can see the reflection actually off the glass. And I work in ships, so it will be noticeable in the dark for me, and that's also why I chose this watch. I mean, I have like digital watches, but it's nice to have watches like this, right? Let's go back. Again, just outside, you can still notice the loom, bright green. And there we have it. A San Martin Ronda Quartz watch. It's also available in automatic, but those cost a bit higher. And this personally tickled my fancy and I like the design, so this is why I chose the Quartz watch instead. Thank you for watching.